Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's start our lesson today by reciting basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. Good afternoon, everybody. Yes. How are you today? So, before we continue our learning, our understanding, our practicing, we have song. Do you like singing? Singing? Yes. No. Dennis, no. Do you still remember the song of irregular verb? The microphone I take to shaken, to shake, so shaken, wake, walk, open to the style and creating. Think, talk, sing, song, listen to the lesson that I teach, talk, sleep, snack, I feel, crack, I sneak, snack, you live, clap, I keep, can, having fun. So, today we have motivation. Okay, you know, before we have the spirit, energetic, and the fantastic. And today we have, repeat after me. Loading is processing. Loading is processing. Oke, ketika teman kalian bertanya dan masih loading, kalian bilang apa? Loading is processing. Oke. Ketika tanya Mr. What is news anchors and he doesn't answer, what do you say to him? Loading is processing. Okay, how about if he cannot answer my question, what do you say to him? Okay, loading is processing, ya. We never try to use English every day. So, that is really strange in our life. Still now. Masih sekarang ini, we are using Indonesian. Okay, not habit in English. So, that's normal. If you speak English and you are still loading, you want to practice, you are thinking, that is processing. Understand? Yes. So, we continue our learning today with reading news anchor. Okay, the point is you understand. Kalian paham with your team. We collaborate with our friends. Okay, you are by team for today. So everybody nanti akan mendiskusikan 3 pemahaman. Nanti kalian akan tahu sendiri di belakang. Kalian harus paham apa itu news anchor. Silahkan dibaca. Understand? Sudah paham untuk yang explanation 1 ini. Kemudian yang kedua, perbedaan antara anchor dan reporter. This is the detail difference. Dan bagaimana cara membaca berita dengan baik. Articulation, pause, intonation, size, discussions. Okay, attention. Okay, the number that you got, that means you are that group. Remember your number 1. 2, 3, 4. Together with your team, please. Hello, group 1. Hello. Hello, group 2. Hello. Group 3. Hello. Group 4. Hello. Group 5. Group 6. Hello. Good job. We are discussing something important today. Okay, this is about news anchor. Okay, what is a news anchor? What are the skills needed? How to read news well? Yang pertama, apa itu news anchor? Yang kedua, apa skill yang dibutuhkan untuk membaca news anchor tadi? Kemudian bagaimana cara baca news anchor yang baik? If you have questions, ask to me. Yes? Okay, come on. Yes. English. Waktunya hanya 10 menit. Please. Nomor 1, Mister Bahasa Indonesia kan. Yaitu orang yang membaca berita dengan baik. Attention. Menurut grup kalian ya. And how about you Nabil? What is news anchor?
Person speak news with clear in YouTube and TV.
Okay, attention. Nabil said that news anchor is person speaks clearly the news on YouTube or and TV. Do you agree?
Yes.
What is your answer?
News anchor is a person who reads the news like on TV or YouTube.
In TV, on TV or YouTube. Okay. How about news anchor read the news on TikTok? How about news anchor read the news on TikTok? Group 3, apakah ada news anchor di TikTok? Where is group 3?
Yes.
Ada berarti?
No.
No. So what is your answer? What is news anchor?
News actor.
Do you agree? Setuju?
No.
No. What is your answer?
News anchor is person who reads the news on TV or YouTube.
Di TV atau di YouTube. Oke. So, number 1 is done. And then discussion number 2. Kalian sebutkan skill apa yang harus dipunyai seorang news anchor. Oke, this group. What are the skills needed?
Reading, voice, memorize.
Reading, voice, memorizing. Do you agree?
Brief skill, reading skill, and confidence skill.
Oke, ada tambahan ya. Yaitu dari grup berapa? What group are you? Grup 4. Yaitu skill membaca, kemudian skill suara, dan skill apa? Skill hafalan. Dan ditambah untuk untuk grup 5 yaitu braveness, keberanian, kemudian skill, confidence skill. Confident itu skill apa enggak ya? Skill, oke, bisa disebut skill, enggak apa-apa. Oke, very good for group 5. Oke, finish ya. Jadi itu skill-skill yang harus dipunyai seorang news anchor. Kemudian terakhir, number 3. Bagaimana cara membaca news anchor dengan baik? How to read news anchor well? This is for group 2. How to read news anchor well?
First is articulation. Second is pause. And the third is intonation. And the last is emphasize.
Oke, attention. Bagaimana cara membaca news anchor dengan baik? Yaitu pay attention dengan memperhatikan articulation, and then intonation, and then pause, and then emphasis. Ya, emphasize. Yes, emphasize. Ada lagi yang mau nambah? Group 5? Okay, you are the same answer with group 2. Be confident exactly, ya. Apa namanya? Bagaimana cara membaca berita dengan baik? Yaitu harus percaya diri. Oke, tentang gesture, ya, body language. Nah, itu sangat penting juga, ya. Eye contact. Apa? Tatapan mata, lihat ke kamera. Kemudian body harus tegak, ya. Stand up straight. Ya, stand up straight. I please you to back to your seat. Silakan balik lagi. Okay, please come forward. Albian. Hello, what do you say to him? Loading is processing. Loading is processing. No problem. Okay, loading is processing. Gak apa-apa ya. Dan Prabu, oke Prabu. Tuan Prabu. Loading is processing. Here you are. Ready? One, two, three, start. Okay, because time is up, so we can continue to the next week. Kalian harus belajar, jangan hanya formalitas ada bahasa Inggrisnya dan nggak pernah belajar cara bacanya, kemudian habitnya, ya, habitnya kata-kata bahasa Inggris yang keseharian kalian bisa praktekkan. Nah, kenapa, Mister? Kalian adalah belajar, kalian sedang belajar. Kalian boleh ngomong bahasa Indonesia nanti kalau sudah bisa bahasa Inggris. Really? Yeah, understand? So that's all for today. Our motivation today is loading is processing. What's our motivation today? Loading is processing. That's all for me. Let's close our class. Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillah. Subhanakallah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.